We're backstage at Copenhagen Fashion Week at Henrik Vibskov with Max Factor's key makeup artist Mina Ingerslev. You've had a special task here.
Yes, we only have a little frame to work with the makeup, and therefore, because of the glasses, the round shape we has as well made around the eyes, this heart shape, and the eyes a little bit round, as well as the shape of the glasses. Around the eye we have used a very soft brown and yellow color and made it very beautiful, so it's like fading out, so it's in a way very you can't really see it, but still you have a softness to the hard line. And then all the eyebrows is we made more colorful, so we frame the little frame we had to work on.
Thank you.
Thank you.